Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Here is the sweet and flavorful pineapple chicken rice. This is fried rice. So when you have leftover rice and you don't know what else you can do, this is the recipe. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get started with this quick and easy pineapple chicken rice. We need a leftover rice. I have cooked it last night, so I have it left over here. So few scallions, freshly chopped pineapple cuts. There is chicken I have marinated with soy sauce, black pepper and salt. If you don't eat chicken, you can definitely add tofu or other vegetables. And here are some garlic cloves, ginger, small piece and 2 green chilies. I'm going to use my mortar and pestle and just roughly mince it. Of course, salt to taste, black pepper and soy sauce. That's it. Let's get going with the recipe. In a wok, just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We are first going to cook the chicken. On a medium-high flame, I'm going to cook this chicken. So keep it covered, and in the meantime, let's add garlic, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, few ginger cuts and 2 green chilies, or depends on your taste. So I'm going to mince it just like that, just roughly. Like so. Alright, so my chicken is cooked now. I've removed it and keep it aside. In the meantime, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of oil again in the same pan, in the same wok. Here you go. In and about 1 minute, the raw smell of ginger and garlic will go away, and then let's add pineapple. There we go. Mix it well. I'm going to saute it for about 2 minutes just to get that pineapple little brown tinge. We can add chicken right now. You're going to get beautiful flavor of this pineapple and chicken from the soy sauce. Time to add rice. So I have added rice and some scallions. Let's mix it well. And now we can add some salt to this and black pepper for some additional flavoring. Okay, so I've added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. I'm going to cover it for about 2 minutes just to get that incorporate well. Okay, my rice is totally done. I'm going to dish this out. garnish this with some scallions. And if you like the pineapple, you can just top it up. The sweet and tangy flavor. Here you go, my pineapple rice is ready. So didn't you see how easy that was? The pineapple, chicken and ginger garlicky flavor is simply amazing. This is a quick one-pot dish and perfect meal at dinner time or lunchtime, and you can simply have it just like this. No flavor, additional flavoring is needed. So thank you for watching my recipe, and I hope you try it at home. Thank you, stay tuned, see you next time, bye.